So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to align text to the left here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Now by default, all the text actually should be sorted from the left here. So if you were to type in a word, I'll just type in text right here. If you were to press on return, everything is going to be centered, or I guess aligned from the left hand side, so you don't have to really do anything. But for example, if you're on another, let's just say for example, you're on middle right here with all these texts, go ahead and press on middle. If you want to center the entire thing, just highlight the text that you're hoping to center. Go to the home screen right here, and where I basically just pressed on align to the middle, go to the left here and press on align to the left. And if you were to press on this, all the text will now be aligned to the left hand side of your screen, or your page, I guess, for that, for this matter. So pretty straightforward, super simple. This is how to align text to the left here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.